Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Hope you all fine. Today I'm here with another video of free Udemy online courses, and these type of courses are for everyone from school level students to professional guys as well. Today I have had another website for online courses which is called Edunix. I have given link of these courses in description, so please go and enroll in these courses quickly. And these courses are for professional guys as well, and share this video to your friends and family members as well, so that they can get these courses as well. So this is our first course today. This is for civil engineers and architects who want to know how to design steel, concrete type of concrete structure, want to analyze the building, and in this course you will learn how to convert the physical building into analytical building, just to know the designing of the structure of whole building. I think that's a great course for civil engineers, and it's free course. I have given link of this course in description. So this is our second course today. It's for those students who want to know how to design different icons like Facebook, Twitter, and different icons which create great value for the customers, clients, because everyone know the Facebook logo, Twitter logo, these type of logos are quite popular, like Instagram logo, and that's not easy to build these icons. So it's a good course for graphic design students to know how to build and design these type of icons from this course, and it's a free course, and it's a little bit different website for you today because it's Edunix. I have given links in description of this course as well. So the next course is for those students who want to know photography, and after enrolling in this course, we will learn how to make good photographs from HDR camera, and you will also learn how to edit these photos in Adobe Lightroom and Photoshop. And it's a 2.5 hour short course, not too long, and good for beginners. And it has lifetime access, and they will give you a certificate as well. So the fourth course is very important and my favorite for today. Is for those students who want to know how to build games and apps from Unity 3D, and it's for everyone who want to make any type of game, and it's a long course of 5 hours. In this course 36 lectures are included in this course, and it is a free for now. For some halls it is a free, and they will give you certificate as well in return. So it's a significant course for everyone, and they will give you practical knowledge of how to build game. There is very much low theory in this course. And the next course is for website design, web development students and web designers who want to know how to design websites, and it's a HTML5 course. You will learn from scratch of how to build websites from HTML5, and it's a good course as well. It has lifetime access as well. Go and enroll in these courses. So next course is for data security students and for IT students. It's a complete masterclass course from scratch to advanced level, and how to to know the advance of cyber security, network scanning, password hacking, cryptography, Wi-Fi hacking, and it's a complete long course for IT students. Next course is for another important course for civil engineers and structural engineers who want to know how to design and analyze the stage structure of buildings, and it's a good course for civil engineers who want to know how to design residential buildings from scratch. They will give you certificate. No, they will not give you certificate. It's a free course only today. So next course is for those students who are take interest in e-commerce, and they will tell you how to make store on Amazon from scratch, from beginning level, and they will tell you how to register domain name, how to get advantages from WordPress, installing themes from WordPress, and then how to sell and buy things from on Amazon platform. And the last course of today is for e-commerce students, and for those students who want to know how to build websites and want to build their e-commerce business, want to sell anything, want to trade anything, and you will know how to get domain name, how to buy WordPress domain, and you will know how to access and how to run the system engine optimization, search engine optimization, to rank your websites on top of the page. And it's a good course as well, and that's 6 hours on demand large course, and they will give you certificate as well. So go and enroll in this course. So thank you for today, and don't forget to share and like our video as well, so that those people don't know about these courses can enroll in these courses as well. So thank you for today.